Back in the garage. Today I'm going to work on the air intake, piecing together off of a bunch of stuff I have from other projects to get it to work in here. I ended up buying a kit from Holley with the plastic piping and everything because I really like the way they mount their air filter. I don't really like the plastic tube. I'd rather use the nice aluminum. Turns out just a 45-degree elbow is really all I need, but I need it with a longer leg than what I had. So I ordered up a different elbow, marked it up. I just got to cut this side off a little bit, and that should fit in here and hold my air filter right where I want it. So I'm going to chop this off, put this all in, and see how it goes. There we go. Now I just need to deburr it, clean it up, and test fit it. All right, I'll mark this 2.5 inches up back. That should fit a lot better. I don't even know if I want to go that much though. I'm going to go 1.5 inches for now. Rather cut small. Alright, so that leg 3 3/4 longer. So I want want to go 1.5 inches. It gets me a nice scribe line around the whole thing to follow. Now I'll put a piece of tape on it so I can really see it when I'm cutting it. Probably pickier than I need to be, but I like things nice and accurate. There we go. right, so that's my intake setup. Real simple, just a single elbow, my mass airflow sensor, air filter. I'm gonna make a box, a bracket to hold this, not really a full box, but I'm gonna tie into the mounting point here and down here. And then I got 3 bolts on the back of this air filter housing that I'm gonna tie into. I'm gonna have it so it's covered and keep the heat from the engine off of it as much as possible. It won't be completely sealed, but it'll be better than nothing. I need my equipment before I do that. Hopefully the electrician I have coming out tomorrow can get power ran in my new garage. Until then, that's all I can do. Thanks for watching.